Hey there, tennis enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of tennis accessories with a focus on grip perfection. That's right, we're talking about the ADV Dry Tennis Overgrip Tape. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let me tell you why this product is the best tennis racket replacement grip available in the market. First off, let's talk about performance. This Overgrip tape is the sweet spot of tennis grips, offering the perfect blend of comfort, sweat absorption, tackiness, and durability. It's been tested and designed by pro players and coaches, so you know it's top-notch. Don't just take my word for it, though. With a solid 4.4-star rating from over 1,500 satisfied customers, it's clear that this grip tape delivers on its promises. But what sets the ADV Dry Tennis Overgrip tape apart from the competition? Well, for starters, it's made from a proprietary ultra-absorbent felt tack material, ensuring a dry grip even in the hottest and most humid conditions. Customers rave about its exclusive feathered comfort, thanks to the unique PU material surface that provides soft cushioning for a more relaxed grip. Say goodbye to blisters and hello to confident strokes. And let's talk durability. Unlike other brands that easily rip, ADV overwraps are built to last. Reinforced with high tear-resistant PU compounds, these grips are designed to withstand the rigors of long matches. Whether you're playing under the scorching sun or in cool, humid conditions, this Overgrip tape has you covered. Its ultra-absorbent nature ensures optimal performance regardless of the weather. And here's the best part. The ADV Dry Tennis Overgrip tape comes with a lifetime guarantee. That's right, if you're not completely satisfied, you can get a replacement or full refund. Talk about peace of mind. So there you have it, folks. If you're in the market for the ultimate tennis racket replacement grip, look no further than the ADV Dry Tennis Overgrip tape. Trust me, your game will thank you later. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, keep swinging.